Hello, I'm DLA Director, Vice Admiral Michelle Skubic, and it's my honor to welcome you to the third annual DLA R&D Industry Collider Day. Today, we see technology advancing at an ever-accelerating pace, and while many of these advances are important in our everyday lives, they are critical to the success of our military and our ability to fight and win future wars. Here at DLA, the professionals in our R&D programs explore and develop innovative solutions to modernize and enable a more ready and lethal joint force, supported by better performing and affordable logistics business practices. We don't do this alone. We rely on our partners in government, academia, industry, and small business to help us find solutions to challenges across a variety of technical areas. That brings us to the reason we're here today, to lay the groundwork for solving challenges DLA can't tackle alone. With Industry Collider Day, we seek to expand partnerships with diverse industry members to drive DLA transformation and modernization. For those not familiar with DLA, we are a vast global logistics organization focused on support to the warfighter. At the same time, we manage a growing mission of support to the whole of government for national response to disasters like hurricanes, floods, forest fires, and pandemics. We manage over 5 million line items across our 8 supply chains, including food, fuel, medical equipment, pharmaceuticals, uniforms, spare parts, construction equipment, and more. Now in our 60th year, everything we do is about how we take care of our service members and our whole of government partners. As we say at DLA, we serve the warfighter and our nation. Today, we're dealing with challenges at every stage in the end-to-end logistics process. Just consider the last couple of years of COVID impacts, the labor and material shortages, transportation issues, supply chain disruptions, foreign dependency, inflation, cybersecurity challenges, health of the industrial base, geopolitical instability. I could go on. These topics have been a concern for years, and now they're even more so. With the pace of today's rapidly changing technologies, we know we must constantly innovate to bring the right capability to the warfighter. We're focusing our IT and digital capability investments on key areas that will enable us to enhance performance, reduce costs, and make more predictive and data-driven decisions. This year's theme is renewing and reshaping our global supply chain solutions, which highlights R&D opportunities in many of our broad interest areas. These areas include business and digital modernization, supply chain resilience, advanced manufacturing, strategic materials, green and sustainable technologies, and more. To be specific about DLA's role in R&D, our professionals marshal resources to solve meaningful problems, leading to the fielding of advanced technology. We work with DLA stakeholders to understand and troubleshoot problem areas, and then employ sound solutions, always with an eye on the budget and at the speed of relevance, to integrate new technologies and efficiencies into the supply chain. We do this through a variety of programs, including our battery network, additive manufacturing program, advanced microcircuit emulation program, subsistence network, and many others that our presenters today are anxious to tell you about. The bottom line is, if you have a product or an idea that will help the warfighter, we'd like to hear about it. We especially welcome small businesses, particularly those new to working with DLA. For fiscal year 2021, DLA awarded more than 38% of our contract dollars to small businesses, exceeding $13 billion in contract awards and surpassing our small business goal for the 9th consecutive year. Small businesses are the backbone of the U.S. economy. They're also where we find the innovators, pushing the boundaries of technology. Be assured, we are doing all we can to make sure small businesses are at the table and winning opportunities. Today's global security environment requires that we continue to push toward the future, but we can't get there without our partners. Industry Collider Day is a great event for all of us to explore how we can increase our nation's capabilities, security, and defense together. It's incumbent on us to work together to address our challenges when it comes to creating, enhancing and sustaining our readiness and lethality, we must find a way. And our industry partners are critical in getting it done. Thanks for participating today and for your interest in partnering with us. I would encourage you to move about the virtual ICD landscape and discover the unique challenges and opportunities that exist here. And please take advantage of the opportunities to connect and collaborate with DLA program managers. And once again, we'll be awarding contracts to exceptional small businesses who responded to solicitations issued by our R&D team earlier this year. I am very proud of the progressive way DLA thinks about innovation, and I'm confident about the way Industry Collider Day is designed to showcase our approach. In that regard, I'd like to thank the organizers, Dr. George Duchek, Mr. David Koch, Commander Jim Sakar, Ms. Martina Johnson, Dr. Vijay Jain, Ms. Denise Price, and the whole DLA R&D team. And thank you for this opportunity to speak to you today and for all you do in support of our warfighters and our nation. And I hope you enjoy the conference. Until next time, warfighter always.